There are certain ones of us from a millennial perspective that feel in the middle. You know, we were brought up middle class, but we don't feel like we're middle class anymore. We worked really hard to be educated because that's what the directions that our parents gave us, and only to not see that pan out quite in the way that everyone said it would.
The women who come into the Floristone Mather Center for Women at Case Western speak consistently about 3 different topics that are completely interconnected that affect women, and that's economic equality, reproductive rights justice, and violence against women. And that's something that our political candidates need to talk more about.
For more great Sound of Ideas conversation, go to ideastream.org/ideasnow.